Riverdale MHP versus Mortimer and all others. That's Ms. Barksdale's case. Did we continue this case, Ms. Powell?
No, ma'am, we declined to continue.
All right, anyone here on behalf of
appearance.
Riverdale MHP?
I'm here.
Okay, who said that?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Kadisha Mortimer, defendant and counterclaimant in this matter.
All right. Did we hear anything from Ms. Barksdale's office?
No, ma'am. I'm double checking my email, but there's nothing in the record.
I didn't hear anything, Judge, and that's unusual that she have not appeared.
Yeah, because she appeared the last 2 times. All right, so you got Ms. Mortimer, let me see you.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I need to see your video. Do you see you on video?
Hey.
Right. Hello. So this is the last case on the 10 a.m. calendar. So there's a pathos, dispossessory, and a counterclaim. So, ma'am,
dismiss this case since she didn't show up, not yet.
Sir, if you're going to participate in the hearing, then I need to see you. I don't need to have somebody just whisper into Miss Mortimer. Well, I have Miss Lachey. So, are you going to participate?
Because I set this up so she can have a Zoom call. So she's
but if you're tech, then be tech. But if you're going to be tech and legal, then let me see who you are.
Okay. How you doing?
All right, so sit down. Are you the all others?
No, I'm her uncle.
Okay, well, then I'm gonna need you to be an uncle and not a lawyer.
Excuse me?
I said I'm going to need you to be an uncle and not a lawyer.
Well, okay. I just told her if the lawyer doesn't show up, then move to dismiss. That's it.
She can't move to dismiss. She has a counterclaim.
Yeah. Okay. But the lawyer didn't show, correct?
I'm clear on that, sir.
Okay. I mean, you the queen. I'm just,
I'm not the queen. I'm just the judge who has 30 years of legal practice, and I'm just wanting to get on with this hearing.
Yeah, I'm just walking through. I'm just trying to tell her I didn't even hear everything. I just heard somebody not here. I'm just walking through. We had a death in the family, so we're all here. And
so did I, sir.
Yeah, so I was just being nosy. Sorry about that.
All right, thank you.
Have a blessed day.
You too, sir. All right, so are you Miss Lachey or Miss Mortimer?
My middle name is Lachey. My last name is Mortimer.
Okay, so now Miss Mortimer, it is my understanding that when you all were here before, one of y'all showed up, the other one didn't. It appeared that maybe you didn't get noticed, so we scheduled the case again. So this is the reschedule of the case that was on the calendar before. Is that what you understand?
Yes, correct.
Okay. All right. So the claimant for the dispossessory has not appeared, but you are here and you are seeking a counterclaim, and you say that your counterclaim is worth $466,000.
No.
Correct.
All right. So tell me why that is.
All right. 1 second. I would like to speak without interruption. I have wrote some things down, so just bear with me. I'm sorry. And you said why did I do?
Okay, let me just explain something first. So we don't just give money just without a basis, especially on a dispossessory. So there has to be a basis for what you're asking for. $466,000 seems like quite a bit of money, and I assume that this is an apartment community. So it's not like a standalone home that was totally destroyed by fire or some other catastrophe. So you're saying that you're entitled to $466,000, and it lists on here $25,000 per violation. That's not how we do it. So now tell me what happened and what you feel you're entitled to.
So it started off with the damages, trespassing, the mold, violating
Okay, one
the,
thing at a time.
okay. So it was the damages.
Ms. Jones, I'm gonna need you to mute.
I'm sorry, who was Jones?
I don't know. Ms. Jones, are you a part of this hearing?
Yes.
Okay, who are you, ma'am?
If I could interrupt, Your Honor, my name is Paul McCarthy. I represent the defendant in the case that's set for 11 o'clock, and Ms. Jones is the plaintiff. It was set for her counsel's motion to withdraw. So she's not here on this case. She's here on the 11 o'clock case, Ms. Jones.
Ms. Jones, can you mute for me? This isn't your case. All right. Okay, so ma'am, when did you move into the apartment?
Sorry, I'm bad with dates.
This is your case.
Yeah, I'm bad with dates. But May 31st, 2004. I'm sorry.
2004?
Yes.
You've been living there for 20 years?
No. 2004. 24.
You said, okay, you said 2004. Okay, so you moved in on May 31st of 2004. What was the rent that you were paying?
$1,200 plus utilities.
All right, was there a point at which you stopped paying rent?
You said, was there a point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I did.
Okay, tell me when that was and then tell me why.
One second. Let me check my email. 1 second, okay? It's loading. I'm so sorry.
Okay, can you tell me why you stopped paying rent?
Because of the conditions in the home, which I
Okay.
have proof of the pictures. Would you like to see it?
Hold on, no, ma'am. One thing at a time, ma'am. It works best because you're kind of all over the place. So if I guide you through this, it will work better.
All right.
All right. So now tell me what was the first thing that you noticed that you thought I shouldn't be paying rent for?
Judge, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Could we
Yes.
please take a moment in the breakout room, you, myself, and Ms. Val?
Okay, 1 second.
Yes.
So I checked, my staff attorney checked Odyssey where notices went, and because you're pro se, you probably got a mailed notice, but the attorneys are supposed to get it electronically. And there's something going on with Odyssey where the notices went out, but it doesn't show that Miss Barksdale got notice of this hearing. And it's the same thing that happened last time, only it was, I think, you who didn't get notice of the hearing. And for some reason, we're having these issues with our electronic filing system called Odyssey. I'm going to send paper notice to both of you and electronic notice, but we're going to have to put you on another date. But this is what I ask you to do. Hold on, Mr. Thompson, I'm going to come back to you. This is what I ask you to do. Anything that you will have to refer to, just print it out. Like if you have emails that are relevant to what you need, if you have pictures, have it all laid out in front of you, and then sort of have a timeline of what it is happened and what it is you're asking for. You got me?
Yes.
Okay, so you're organized, but you don't kind of know how this all flows. And so I want you to be able to present your case the best way possible. So when you do that, just make sure you have everything printed out. have it in the order that you want to present it. And the way I'm going to ask for things is I generally start with, when did the lease start? What were the terms of the lease? Like, what were you paying? When was it supposed to be paid? Who was responsible for maintenance? That kind of thing. And then you can tell me, why you felt like you shouldn't be paying because of the issues that existed. You got me? Okay, so now watch your mail. We're going to send you notice. We're going to send Miss Barksdale notice, and we're probably going to have to send that by mail because of the glitches with Odyssey. We'll probably have to do both. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When you get the notice, like I said, just have all your stuff laid out, and then we'll go through it.
All right. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. No problem.
All right.
All right. And
May
Mr.
I be dismissed?
Yeah, you're excused at this time. You're going to come back for another date. You're not dismissed like your case is dismissed. I don't have it right now.
Yes, ma'am.
I just set it on what is my next available civil case calendar, but I got a couple that are full, so we'll see what the next one is. Are you in school?
All right. No, ma'am. Oh, thank you,
Okay.
but no.
No, because I just like to, if you're going to be away at school, I want to make sure I can accommodate that also.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Tom.
Let's get the facts straight. She loves a verbal ashtray. Never blowing smoke. When she gets pissed, she's quick to castrate. Love her on a good day, love her on a bad day. Either way, she's here to stay. Call up holy,